Flight number 2 of the Eachine F-16 on 3 cells.
Wind straight down the runway. Ready? Yep.
Very gentle lob. He's playing around high alpha, which is great fun until you stall. Oh, you see, yeah, it would. I just think these manufacturers don't do it because it'd be harder to put together. Yeah, that wouldn't happen. The elevators are quite small on this, aren't they? You just don't have enough elevator to give you, you know, the degree of control. But when it's moving, it's fine. It's just slow flight, and if you want to do tricks, it's a bit limited.
Mind you, it probably was high alpha better if I had a smaller.
Yeah, if you had a smaller and it was lighter.
Carrying quite a heavy pack.
Yeah. Can you try maybe a flat out and then pull hard on the elevator? Cool! Yeah, it didn't fall apart. Yeah, and it doesn't really screw out of it either, so. And it doesn't have a rudder either, does it, Carl?
It doesn't, no.
Yeah, which I think's a shame as well. Oh, inverted. Stable.
Yeah, not too bad.
They get so many models where they fly better inverted than the right way up. Well done. More adventurous on that flight.
Yeah.
So it's a bit limited, isn't it?
Yeah, a little bit limited. Like I say, I think it would high alpha a lot better if you use the recommended 1000 to 1300 milliamp hour pack.
Yeah.
But on the 1800, I'm now achieving over a 4-minute flight. So yeah,
Long enough.
Quite pleased with that. So.
All right. Nice one.
Yeah.
Second flight, I think we've proven it's an all right model, haven't we?
Yeah, I think so.
Link is in the video description and the pinned comment.
Yep, see you in the next one.
He's playing around high alpha, which is great fun until you stall.